back to the Makeso channel, where we showcase our site here at Makeso. We do a craft workshop, and also our Hestai products, which you can find on Amazon or on our Etsy shop. And today we are showcasing our acrylic letter blanks with stand, and we're going to show you how to sublimate onto acrylic. These cool little letters can work as stands for display, or you can put them on top of cakes. But we took them from a plain white to this quick sublimation. And this is a real quick project that we did. And we did it by not following any of the rules. We just wanted to see if we just quickly sublimated on it, what exactly would happen. We think it came out great. If you want to see how we did it, keep watching, and you'll see how we sublimated onto acrylic coming up. Okay guys, welcome to the overhead. Not really, I have it handheld in my hand. I am going to try to speed up my videos a bit because I've been told my videos are too long, and I agree. So this is going to be a nice, quick little project that we're going to do, showing off our new letter sublimation blanks, or they could be used for vinyl, but we're going to show sublimation here. And all we're going to use today is our Cricut Easy Press, a foam pad, a piece of Teflon paper to cover. We're not even going to use our heat tape. We should, but we're not. And just a piece of scrap Cricut Infusible Ink, which is sublimation, that we just had left over from the last project we did. And then of course, our 3mm thick blank that we're going to use. I'm going to take you to the overhead and we'll do the project real quick. Okay, welcome back to the overhead, and my hands are free, so I've got it set up on the rig. We're going to do this. Not the proper way you should do this, but I'm just trying to show you how quick and easy and simple this is. The proper way you should do this is you should trim this to edge, use your heat tape, tape it down to your blank. After you heat it, drop it in cold water, make sure it doesn't move. We're going to break all those rules today because I'm just going to show you quick, easy, and dirty. And if it works quick, easy, and dirty, if you take the careful tips to do it properly, you know it's going to come out right. So we're just going to take my scissors, and we're going to cut, not very carefully, but just straight up next to it to make sure we got enough to cover it. We do got enough to cover it. We are heating our Easy Press up to 205 Celsius, which I think is 400. Let me check and see. Alexa, what is 205 Celsius in degrees? So that's 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm sorry if I said off your smart devices at home. Didn't think about that before I said that. But very sorry about that. So I'm going to lay my paper over top of it, get it sort of straight, not taping it down at all. You hear the Easy Press is ready. It's sitting there on it, and we're just going to go and smash it right down on it. And I'm not putting any real pressure on it, just making sure that it has full contact on the blank for the 60 seconds so that it's even across the blank in a sweet spot, trying to find a nice center. And once you find the center, you just move it a little bit to get it to center, and then it's just sitting there on it. And at this point, we're just sitting and waiting. And so we're just gonna fast time through this part real quick. Okay, it's ready to come off, and we'll take it off. At this point, you would take it and you would dip it right into the ice bath. Also, I should have took the backing off of this, and I didn't take the backing off either, but that's okay. That's part of the quick and dirty. But I'm just gonna let it cool on its own in its place, and then we'll come back and see it after it's finished cooling and see how this just quick, dirty, 2-second project came out. All right, we gave it a little time to cool. It's starting to peel and bend up on its own, probably from the plastic piece that I should have taken off, but we'll peel it together first time together, and voila. So it came out, I think, really vibrant and nice for a quick and dirty kind of thing. So, sorry about the jackhammer in the background. So, okay, we had to edit it out. They were doing a lot of drilling downstairs, so I wanted to take that out, but I wanted to show you. So, up close and personal, if it's zoomed in nice, you could see there. My sublimators out there will know that infusible ink or the Cricut Infusible Ink is probably the worst thing you can sublimate with. Everybody is doing much, much better with their own either converted sublimated printers, or they're actually made for a sublimated printer. You're gonna get much better quality out of it. And again, as you saw it, this was quick and dirty. Didn't tape it down, didn't dunk it in the cold water. Some people sub acrylics at a higher than 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Some people go up to 405, 410. The Cricut only goes to 400. So we did it right at 400. And for quick and dirty, I believe that came out very nice. As you see, it does actually get some around on your edges. So your edges are not going to stay clean unless you tape them off. Or if you cut it to the perfect size and tape it down like you're supposed to, then your edges probably will stay clean, but the front face of it is absolutely gorgeous. So that was a quick video showing you about our sublimation blanks. If you'd like to get them, they're available right now on our Etsy shop, soon on our regular website. And we've got more of these designs other than letters coming, just regular shapes. And then also we do them that are, this is the 3mm thick. We do a 5mm thick. The 5mm thick is gonna be a more substantial product, and it's gonna hold the heat better. So when the people that's having problems with your edges curling, 5mm acrylic will hold the heat and it won't curl your edges. Our clear does the same thing, with except as you've seen in another video, it goes on transparent, and you'll have to paint the back white, and you will get that glowing dimensional kind of look to it. So thanks for watching. We're going to come out with more blanks for you to see, and probably more videos to see us doing subbing on blanks, because I think it's rather cool. If you'd like to see more of that, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.